I'm curious if you could expand a little bit on the Amber Heard-Johnny Depp verdict.
I'm here because I stand with Amber Heard.
What did Ms. Heard say about the defecation in Mr. Depp's bed?
What have you lost as a result of Ms. Heard making these allegations against you?
Nothing less than everything.
The legal battles between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard captivated the public's attention, unfolding like a high-stakes drama over several years. It all began with their whirlwind romance and subsequent marriage in February 2015. Their relationship, once the envy of Hollywood, soon became fodder for tabloids and the subject of intense speculation. Johnny Depp, the charismatic and enigmatic actor known for his iconic roles in films like Pirates of the Caribbean and Edward Scissorhands, met Amber Heard, a rising star in her own right, on the set of the 2011 film The Rum Diary. Their chemistry was undeniable, and despite Depp's long-term relationship with Vanessa Paradis and Heard's previous marriage to actor Johnny Depp, the two embarked on a relationship shortly after the film wrapped. Their romance quickly made headlines, with the media enamored by their 23-year age gap and the glamorous allure of Hollywood's golden couple. They were married in a private ceremony in Los Angeles in February 2015, amidst both fanfare and skepticism. The first signs of trouble in paradise emerged in May 2016, when Amber Heard filed for divorce from Johnny Depp, just 15 months into their marriage. She alleged irreconcilable differences and sought a temporary restraining order, claiming Depp had been verbally and physically abusive throughout their relationship. Heard's accusations rocked Hollywood and sent shockwaves through Depp's fanbase, who staunchly defended the actor's reputation. Meanwhile, Heard supporters rallied around her, applauding her bravery in speaking out against domestic violence. The legal saga between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard has been one of the most closely followed and contentious celebrity legal battles in recent years. Here are more detailed insights into their courtroom drama. As part of their divorce settlement, Johnny Depp agreed to pay Amber Heard $7 million, which she pledged to donate to charity. The settlement also included provisions barring either party from discussing their relationship publicly in a derogatory manner. In December 2018, Amber Heard wrote an op-ed for The Washington Post where she discussed being a victim of domestic violence but did not mention Johnny Depp by name. However, Depp filed a defamation lawsuit against Heard in March 2019, alleging that the op-ed implied he was the perpetrator and damaged his reputation and career. Johnny Depp's defamation lawsuit against Amber Heard sought $50 million in damages. His legal team argued that Heard's allegations of abuse were part of an elaborate hoax and that she had fabricated evidence to support her claims. They presented witnesses and evidence challenging the veracity of Heard's accusations.
You hadn't donated your entire $7 million settlement to charity at that point, had you?
That's incorrect.
Sitting here today, Ms. Heard, you still haven't donated the $7 million divorce settlement to charity. Isn't that right?
Now I'm panicking.
It's what she deserves. Incorrect. I pledged the entirety of the settlement, $7 million to charity, and I intend to fulfill those obligations.
Ms. Heard, that's not my question.
I am shook.
Please.
Throughout the defamation trial, both Johnny Depp and Amber Heard called witnesses to testify on their behalf. Witnesses included friends, family members, and former employees who provided conflicting accounts of the couple's relationship and incidents of alleged abuse. Testimonies delved into specific incidents described by Heard and countered by Depp's defense. Evidence in the case included text messages, audio recordings, and medical records that purportedly supported each side's claims. Depp's legal team sought to undermine Heard's credibility, arguing that she had manipulated evidence and misled the court about the nature of their relationship. The courtroom proceedings were marked by intense media scrutiny and public interest, with supporters of both Depp and Heard closely following developments. The case became a focal point for discussions about domestic violence, defamation, and the complexities of personal relationships under public scrutiny. In April 2022, a Virginia judge ruled against Johnny Depp in his defamation lawsuit against Amber Heard. The judge found that Depp had not met the burden of proof required for a defamation claim and dismissed his case. The ruling was seen as a significant legal victory for Heard, although the controversy and public debate surrounding their relationship and legal battles continue. Despite the Virginia ruling, legal proceedings related to Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's tumultuous relationship have continued in other jurisdictions. Depp has filed appeals and pursued separate legal actions in the UK and the US, challenging various aspects of the initial defamation lawsuit and seeking to overturn unfavorable rulings. The case has had a profound impact on both Johnny Depp's and Amber Heard's careers and public reputations. Supporters of Depp argue that he has been unfairly treated and his career damaged by false allegations, while supporters of Heard emphasize the importance of believing victims of domestic violence and holding perpetrators accountable. In conclusion, the legal battles between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard have been complex, highly contentious, and deeply personal, shining a spotlight on issues of abuse, defamation, and the challenges of navigating fame and personal relationships in the public eye.